This is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing one of the accounts of our traders, Bayaan. Bayaan has been trading with us from January 12, 2021 and up until the present day of 2nd of March 2021. And we're analyzing his portfolio account from the 12th of January up until this current day of 26th of February 2021. Bayern has managed an account of $15,000 up onto the second stage of $30,000. If we can look at the beginning of his journey on the 12th of January, he had a deficit of 0.69%, and now he's gone on to manage 30,000 US dollars. And as we can see, his journey has varied from the 15th, he's up by 2%, he's down by 0.05, he's up by 0.4, down by 0.1, and steadily his journey goes on until he hits his 10% on the 10th of February. Then he comes down again in equity, then he grows again, and all of a sudden he's back up to 8.75%. So he's still on his first stage of 15,000 to 30,000 US dollars. So the next stage for Bayern would be 60,000 US dollars. And as we can see, Bayern is currently sitting on 8.75% with just 1.25% to go to hit his target. His target is $3,000. 10% of his new capital, and his drawdown is 10% as well, minus 3,000. And as we can see, he's not far away from it. Let's look at some of Bayern's trades, his history, in terms of his statistics. Bayern has had 29 trades in total. His best trade was on the 29th of January for $555.11. His worst trade was on the 24th of February for minus $200.96. So if you look at his deficit, we can just go on here and find the 24th of January, where we can just roughly see his best trade was somewhere around here, and his worst trade was on the 25th of February, was just somewhere along here, somewhere in here, estimatingly. But we can see this trader is managing the account well and preserving the balance. Let's go down as well and look at the summary of trades. Bayern specifically has his pairs he's picked: Euro AUD, Euro Swiss franc, Euro pound, Euro yen, Euro New Zealand dollar, Euro US dollar, pound yen, pound New Zealand dollar, pound US dollar, and US dollar CAD. And out of all these trades now, we can see Bayern specifically has made most of his profit on the euro yen, where he went long. He's got $685.36. And if you look at the pound New Zealand dollar, where he's gone long as well, $416.54. But when we look on the short side of things, you can see Bayern has made a heavy $489.97 shorting the pound yen, and he's made $315 shorting the euro US dollar. So his strategy is a combination of long and shorts. So euro yen, pound New Zealand dollar, euro US dollar, and pound yen has given him the pips and profit margin to hit his target. And respective, combining longs and shorts together, we have $592 on the euro yen, 74. We have 489.97 on the pound yen, and we have a significant 416.54 on the pound New Zealand dollar. So we can see 1, 2, 3. These three pairs are the key components that's helped Bayern hit that 10%. And in between that, he's had a few losses on the Euro AUD, the Euro pound, pound US dollar, and US dollar CAD. So combining all these pairs together, as I always say in trading, you can be right, you can be wrong, but at the end of the day, preserve the balance and always end up in profit. And you can always end up in profit. And clearly, this trader's demonstrated a clear plan, excellent money management, and good trades. And this is what's helped him get to 10%. So we have a total of 32 trades in total. So he's made this milestone, this journey, in only 32 trades. So he's not been trading a lot, and as you can see, the lot sizes vary. Just 2 pages, 0.19, 0.31, 0.5, and we can see all the losses here. But let's look at all the gains, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. He's been very consistent, having losses as well, and still preserving the balance. So with trading, it gets to tell you if you've got a good strategy, a trading plan, and good money management, you can always succeed. And this is what helped this trader get to 10%. And as you can see, we got losses, and you can see the deposit as well going forward. Look at the monthly analytics coming down to the bottom here. We can see in January he made 3.61%, and in February 4.97%. So coming back up to where we are right now, this trader has done extremely well. And in general, we got an average gain of plus 8.75% with an absolute gain of 3.86 and a daily rate of 0.17% return, which is quite great. The average drawdown is 3.14% in relative to a maximum of 10%. So this trader is clearly managing our funds very well. And we look at the balance, as you can see how the balance is preserved. The balance has never dropped below the 10,000 mark. It's always been stalemate, as you can see, 14,897. So he can only afford to drop to 1,500 on the first level, which is 13,500. But you can see this trader has not even got close to that. And as you can see, 16, and the trader's growing consecutively. So $3,000 is the drawdown. So this trader cannot drop below 26,000 US dollars. So $26,000 will be in the middle range here. But this trader still preserved. Look at overall profit. And this trader's done well, and look at the drawdown. So coming back to this trader, I can only recommend carry on doing what you're doing. This is a very good account, preserving the capital, and you're still growing with the equity. So stick to your original plan, be more consistent with your lot sizes, stick to the pairs that give you money, and I wish you all the best.